Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss the merge sort algorithm. So before we start merge sort algorithm, I hope that you have watched the video for merge to sorted arrays, because merge sort is entirely dependent upon merge to sorted arrays. So if you haven't watched that video yet, I will suggest you to go back and watch that video, then come back again to learn the merge sort. So let's see what the merge sort is all about. In merge sort, what we do is we divide our list in two parts like this, in two halves, basically left half and right half. 2, 15, 11, 51 and 46, 52, 3 and 4, like this. And we call recursion on both of these parts. We call recursion for our left part and we call recursion for our right part. Okay, now after calling recursion, what we expect from our left part is that this left part recursion is going to give me sorted order of these left elements. So what I should get is 2, 11, 15, 51, and what I should get from this is 46, oh sorry, 3, 4, 46 and 52, like this. We are just thinking high order thinking. We are not going into details. Okay, so we got these two lists. Now what we need to do is we need to merge this using merge to arrays, and if we will use that function, what we will get is 2, 3, 4, 4, 11, 15, 46, 51, 52, like this. Thus whole sorted array or list. Okay, so this was my high order thinking. Now let's see some practical steps what we are doing here. Okay, there was 4 here, and let's move it. Okay, now first we need to do is create two halves and call recursion. We do this 2, 15, 11 and 51, 46, 52, 3 and 4. We divide this half and call recursion 2, 15, 11, 51. Same here, 46 and 52, 3 and 4. We divide this into half and call recursion 2, 15, 11 and 51, 41, 52, 3 and 4. Now as you can see here that we have only one element left now, so they can't be divided further. So it means that we have reached our base case. So this is our base case when we have only one element left. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to put this element in a list and return it. So we got 2 in a list and we return it. 15 we put it in a list and returned it. Now same goes for here. We returned 11 from here, 51 from here, 41 from here, 52 from here, 3 from here, 4 from here in a list. Okay, now when we reach here, what we do is we got something from left, we got something from the right, and what we do is use merge to sorted array function. Okay, and when we use that function, we get a new merge sorted list which contains 2 and 15 in the sorted order. We got 2 and 15. Same, merge two sorted arrays, and we get 11 and 51 in the sorted order. Same here, merge two sorted array, we got 41, 52. 3 and 4, merge two sorted, 3, 4. Now we got something from left, we got something from right. What we do is merge two sorted arrays 2, 11, 15, 51, and same here, merge two sorted list 3, 4, 41 and 52. We got something from left, we got something from right. We use merge to sorted array. We got 2, 3, 4, 11, 15, 41, 51, 52. And we return this. We got sorted array. Now, how we are going to divide our list into two parts? We get a value called high. We get a value called low and high. We got value called low and value called high. And what we do is we find the mid and we pass low comma mid to the left side and mid plus 1 comma high to the other side. And that's how we divide our list into two different halves. Alright, so let's now code this. Okay, so first of all, let's write our base case, which is if our low is equal to high, okay, which signifies that we have only one element left. So first we need to create a base list and we need to end ARR of low or high, that element only, and then we need to return the base list and we return base list. Now first we need to calculate mid. Mid will be calculated as low plus high divided by 2. But Python is dynamically typed language, so it's going to return me a float value. So I have to convert the integer. Okay, now we were dividing our list into two parts, left and right. So left part is equal to merge dot ARR of low comma mid, and our right part was equal to merge dot ARR mid plus 1 comma high, because you can see here we were doing our left part was low till the mid, right part was from mid plus 1 till high. Okay, so we got a list from left and a list from right. We need to create sorted list, and how we are going to do this? We are going to call merge arrays function. Okay, so let's use this merge arrays left and right. Okay, now what we need to return is sorted list. Sorted list is returned from here. Okay, so that was a very simple code. So let's run it. So it's been accepted for our sample test case. Let's submit for all test cases. So we get 10 out of 10, and this means that we have properly implemented our merge sort algorithm. So this was a very simple algorithm. What we were doing was we were dividing our list two parts, and then what we were expecting that we will get a sorted list from the left side and a sorted list from right side. Okay, and what we need to do was just combine these two sorted lists which we are getting from left and right side. And how we were merging our two sorted lists by using merge to sorted arrays function. Okay, so that was very simple program, and the most difficult part of the program is this part, this merge to sorted arrays. This merge to arrays program is the backbone for this merge sort. So if you haven't understood this program yet, I will recommend you to watch our previous video to take a deeper view for merge to sorted list. Okay, so that's all for this video. See you in the next one.